Today, I'm going to show you how to import presets in Lightroom Desktop, the cloud version, in just a few quick steps. If you edit photos regularly, this is one of the fastest ways to keep your style consistent and save a ton of time. Whether you downloaded a preset pack for portraits, landscapes, or social media edits, Lightroom makes it easy to add them and start using them right away. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Lightroom tips and editing guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Lightroom Desktop. Make sure you're using the cloud version of Lightroom, not the older classic version, because the steps can look a little different depending on which app you have installed. Once Lightroom is open, choose any photo from your library and open it. You need to be inside the editing workspace before you can import presets. Now look over to the right side of the screen and click the Edit panel. This is where all of your adjustment tools live, including presets. Inside the Edit panel, click Presets. This will open the Preset section, where you can view Lightroom's built-in presets and any custom presets you've already added. Next, look for the three dots menu, usually shown as an ellipsis. Click those three dots to open the preset options. From the menu, select Import Presets. This is the option that lets you bring preset files into Lightroom from your computer. Now find the preset files you want to import. Lightroom supports .xmp files, which are the standard preset format, and in many cases it can also import .zip files directly. If your preset comes in a zip folder, you may be able to select it right away. If Lightroom doesn't accept it, you may need to extract the zip first and then import the XMP files inside. Once you select the files, click Open or Import, depending on your computer. Lightroom will process the presets, and in most cases they'll appear instantly in your Presets panel. You don't usually need to do anything else. After that, check under User Presets or inside the folder name where Lightroom placed them automatically. They should be organized for you, which makes it much easier to find the exact style you want later. To test them, click on a photo and tap one of the imported presets. You should see the look apply immediately. If the preset changes the image the way you expected, you're good to go. From here, you can fine-tune exposure, contrast, white balance, or color to make the edit fit your photo perfectly. If your presets do not show up right away, don't panic. The first thing to try is restarting Lightroom. That fixes the issue in many cases. Also double-check the file type, because Lightroom needs either .xmp or a supported .zip file. If the preset was downloaded as a zip and Lightroom still won't recognize it, extract the folder first and try importing the XMP file directly. And that's it! You've successfully imported presets in Lightroom Desktop. Once they're added, you can reuse them anytime and speed up your editing workflow dramatically. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more Lightroom tutorials, photo editing tips, and beginner-friendly guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.